of icebreakers on modern marbles. Today, hundreds of icebreakers patrol the world's ice-clogged seas. More than 60% of them were built by one company in Finland, Aker Finyards. The company's Arctic Testing Center has played a vital role in developing new technology. Its innovations, like the Azipod propulsion system, are proving invaluable.